How to use DeepSeek to generate images. So currently, DeepSeek cannot generate images. It is just a text-based AI that doesn't have the capability to create or interpret images, videos, or other visual media. However, here is an alternative way you can do. You can use DeepSeek to generate a prompt or a detailed prompt, then you can copy and paste this prompt into an AI image generation tool like YouCam AI Pro or Clement AI. So first, generate a prompt with DeepSeek, and then choose an AI image generation tool. You can search Google if you want, and then paste the prompt that you copied from DeepSeek. And after that, choose an AI art style, or it's optional, and then generate the image. Click or tap the generate button to create your image. And then lastly, save the image. So once you're satisfied, you can save the image to your device. So tips for using DeepSeek's prompts: be specific. The more details you include in your keywords, the better the generated prompt will be. Experiment with styles. Try different art styles to see what resonates with you. And then lastly, refine and iterate. Don't be afraid to adjust the prompt and generate images until you get the desired result. And that is how you use DeepSeek to generate AI images.